So how's it going, guys? So in today's video, we'll be talking about true rated power supply. So kasi marami nagtatanong ng sir, bakit meron true rated pero hindi siya 80 plus? So in this video, yun ang topic na cover natin. Kasi maraming power supply na ganitong sa screen natin makita 500 watts true rated power supply pero walang 80 plus rating. Kasi marami nagko-comment ng asking kung okay ba tong power supply nila or reliable ba tong power supply nila. So, by the way, mga quick shout out na muna sa mga nag-comment. Ito po sila. So guys, nag-search ako sa Lazada and then sa Shopee. So, we're gonna focus more on Lazada. By the way, hindi ako sponsored ng Lazada. Pero kung Lazada, if you're watching, pwede nyo ako ma-sponsor kasi kailangan ko ng pera sa pandemic ngayon. So, ito guys, pumunta ako sa Lazada. And I discovered na ang true rated pala ng marketing term lang siya, like labeling. Kasi maraming nang they use the word true rated pero hindi naman talaga 80 plus. Kasi magsabi ka ng true rated, it means it is rated na 80 plus ng bronze, 80 plus silver, or platinum, white. So, ito may nakita ko, ST 750 watts. So hindi ako familiar sa brand na ito, pero kung may kung itong power supply nyo, just comment down below and comment down below kung okay ba tong power supply. So hindi ako familiar sa power supply nito. Nakalagay dito true rated pero wala tayong makita na sticker na 80 plus. So and then also na notice ko sa meron power supply na hindi siya true rated na 80 plus pero hindi naman siya generic kasi before I bought bumili ako ng gigabyte na power supply nang walang sticker nakalagay na 80 plus pero super reliable sa talaga it lasted me 10 years. Ito ang sobrang bigat so sobrang bigat siya, like kalahati ng hollow blocks. So yan ang ganyan siya kabigat. So it lasted me almost 10 years and super okay siya. So I think meron between generic and then true rated, meron somewhere in between na hindi sila ng generic pero wala silang 80 plus rating pero siya okay siya na brand. So di sila nag-avail ng 80 plus rating sa mga trusted na accredited na mga testers na makalagay ng 80 plus rating. So guys, if you watch my previous video about that, about true rated versus generic, you can watch it down below. I'll have it linked. So ito naman ang second is PSU true rated power supply gaming legend. So ganito mga strategy nila. They put true rated and then gaming to entice mga gamers or mga tao na hindi kabisado ang mga ganito. So 80 plus bronze. So ito notice ko rin meron 80 plus na rating na sticker. So maybe legit to kasi pero hindi ako familiar sa brand na Legend 900 watt light. So it's either a fake na 80 plus bronze or legit siya or class A lang siya na power supply. So you better watch out for that. So buy at your own risk. And then ito naman, brand new gaming power supply, in play 450 watts. I think ng mga kaibigan ko na mostly itong power supply in play 450 watt, 80 plus bronze. So yun, may sticker siya 80 plus bronze. Pero hindi lahat, doesn't mean kung 80 plus na may sticker, automatic 80 plus rated siya kasi iba fake Nang may nakita kong fake, there are two signs na malaman mong fake siya kasi walang ang bigat niya same sa generic na power supply, ang sobrang light niya, and also merong wrong spelling sa labeling. So those are the two signs na alam mong fake ang isang power supply or imitation. So those are the two things you can watch out na hindi siya mabigat at maraming wrong spelling sa labeling. So in play, parang okay naman tong in play, sabi ng mga kaibigan ko. So ito pong power supply na colorful, crossfeed CF 80 plus platinum. So, take note, 80 plus platinum. Ang 80 plus platinum po ay para sa mga miners at servers na computer. So, nakalagay dito, server mining, cryptocurrency. So, heavy duty to talaga. And then, makita natin, meron siyang 80 plus rating. Wait, saan dito? 88 plus. Ayan po, 80 plus rating. By the way guys, there's no such thing as 90 plus or 70 plus or 75 or 95 plus rating. 80 plus lang talaga. So ito po ito surplus or use. Sparkle, GP, hindi ako familiar na brand to. So comment down below kung alam itong brand na Sparkle. 600 pa, true rated Korean PS, so Korean sa. So wala akong makitang 80 plus. So it's either marami nagsasabi na mga kilala ko na hilig din sa computers na Korean mga power supply daw. Okay naman, reliable sila, pero wala silang hindi sila true rated or 80 plus true rated 80 plus rating. So PowerX Legend 700 watts 80 plus bronze true rated. So marami silang So Legend, same rin kanina, Legend 700 watt 80x 80 plus bronze. So buy at your own risk lang guys. And then one of the things I think ang mga share ko is that nang malaman mo kung legit siya if walang wrong spelling sa labeling at mabigat siya. And then kung hindi kayo familiar sa brand, siya, try to search it sa internet and then check nyo mga reviews and then masasabi ng ibang tao na gumamit. And then kung hindi, and also I made a video guys na kung kaya ba ng power supply ang PC nyo kasi marami din tumatanong. So I'll just link that down below. So guys, so yun lang pala, yun lang ang ma-share ko nito kasi I've noted just a recap na meron 80 plus and then meron generic and then somewhere in between meron high quality na power supply na hindi sila nag-avail ng 80 plus rating from accredited testers just to check kung ang quality nila. So right now the market is flooded with Chinese and Korean na mga power supply if you search sa Lazada and sa Shopee. So I suggest na try to buy sa mga local sellers nyo or sa Facebook Marketplace para makausap nyo at para may warranty ang products nyo. Kasi kung sa Lazada kayo at Shopee mag-order, maraming problems pa kasi you have to pay sa shipping fee, pabalik. So, yun lang guys. So, I hope na clear up ko yun na hindi lahat ng na hindi true rated ay low quality. Meron din high quality na hindi true rated, pero just watch out lang kasi hindi ko kabisado lahat. So just do your own research. And yun, by the way, I don't recommend using generic if you're a heavy gamer ng if you have time, if you have money in the future, you can change it. Just don't use it like heavy duty, like rendering at the same time nag-gaming ka and then 24/7 na on lang palagi. So I always recommend na para safe kayo, hindi kayo masunugan ng balay, nang gumamit kayo ng true rated 80 plus na power supply. So based sa prices kanina, I think mga 1,000 plus lang yun, 1,350. Ito 900 pesos pero hindi siya 80 plus rated. Ito 1,300. Yan. So guys, I hope you learned something. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, just subscribe. At kung may questions kayo, just comment down below mga clarifications. So ulit, maraming salamat po, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!